In this video, I will show you how you can turn on RCS Chats on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just open the Messages app, then tap on the profile icon over here. Now just scroll down and tap on Messages Settings. Now on this page, just tap on General. Now at the top of this page, you will find the option for RCS Chats. Now just tap on it. Now to turn on RCS Chats on your phone, just ensure that this toggle is turned on. Also select the SIM cards for which you want to turn on RCS chats from here. As you can see, both of our SIM cards does not support RCS chats, but if your phone supports RCS chats, and after you select both of your SIM cards and if you enable this toggle, you will enable this feature on your phone. But if you want to turn off RCS chats, just disable this toggle. As you can see, it is asking that do you want to turn off RCS chats, just select turn off, and after you do that, this feature will be turned off. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.